Hi, I'm Lisa Spencer. If you're like me, you've had a tough time finding some disinfecting wipes. Well, I've got a solution for you today. You can make your own. Here's what you need. A roll of paper towels, some water, a quart of water is what we have here, also bleach, and you're going to need some type of airtight container. What we've done is we saved an old white container here to use for our do-it-yourself wipes. First things first, what we will need to do is cut our paper towel in half so it will fit inside that container. What we did is we used it down small enough to fit nicely into this container. Get a good sharp kitchen knife. Get a little elbow grease. And you can cut all the way through. Now our paper towel roll is two separate pieces. Okay, granted, it's not going to be as nice and neatly cut as the ones that you'll buy at the store, but it does work. Next thing, we'll take our paper towel roll and put it inside our airtight container. Now it's time to mix our solution. According to the CDC, the correct portions would be a quart of water with 4 tablespoons of bleach. This is enough to do the kind of disinfecting that we would like to do to make sure that we're all safe. And stir that up a little bit. Next, you're going to pour that solution on top of your paper towels. Now, you won't need a whole quart of water. That's just the combination from the CDC. A quart of water, 4 tablespoons of bleach. So just make sure they're good and saturated. And the next thing you'll do is after they've sat there just a little bit, gotten good and wet, then you'll take out the center core that the paper towels are rolled on. And here's the center. Next thing is you just grab the end of your paper towels and voila, just like the ones you buy at the store. Put your lid on and you have your own disinfecting wipes. And now you're ready to clean. So pull out one of your wipes, wipe down your counter. You will want to leave the moisture on for 5 minutes to make sure everything is thoroughly disinfected. Well, if you liked today's tip, I hope you will subscribe to the Lisa Spencer YouTube channel for a variety of other videos.